Hello there, Mary Beth Cryan here from Crochet with marybeth.com.
Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a multicolored bobble. The bobble is going to be a different color than this color here, and it is going to be totally clean all around the edge. The only place that you will see the second color is in the bobble. It's pretty cool. Alright, so for this demonstration I am using two different types of worsted weight yarn and a size H8 hook. My yarn is frogged, obviously, but when is it ever not? You know what I'm saying? So these bobbles you can actually find in my free polka pouch pattern on my blog. I'll have a link for that below if you want to apply these adorable bobbles to a project. So let's get started. I'm at the point here where I've turned and I need to chain one. And this is when you're going to get out your second color, your B color. And that might be easier said than done. Okay, here we go. Thanks for hiding on me. Thanks for nothing. Alright, here we go. So I am just going to leave a tail. I'm going to hold that right over the row of stitches, and I'm going to start single crocheting right over this guy to hold him in place. So I'm going to go into my first stitch and make that single crochet right over, and I'm going to do it again. Alright, he's held in place. Now, we're going to change colors, and at this point, this is where you would usually change colors, right? On the last pull through, but I am not going to do it here. This is the trick to the clean bobble. I am going to continue with color A. Now it's time to start the bobble. So I'm going to do a 3 double crochet bobble. So I'm going to yarn over as I would with a double crochet. I'm just going to keep this A in the back, and I am going to insert hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, 3 loops on my hook, pull through 2, just like I would in a double crochet, but I'm not going to finish the double crochet. I'm going to yarn over again, insert hook, pull up a loop, 4, pull through 2, and since this is a 3 double crochet bobble, I am going to do it one more time. Pull through 2, 4 loops on my hook. Now here's the second trick. Watch this. Instead of yarning over with B, I'm yarning over with A. And I'm going to pull through all of those, and then just let me make the next single crochet. And on this next single crochet, you're going to want to go over color B to hide it. Pull through, push the bobble to the front, and look at that. Nice clean bobble. All the stitches on the top are color A, so you're not going to see any of B showing through. Isn't that a beautiful bobble? Beautiful bobble. Alright, so I hope you found that helpful. I'm going to do another one here really quickly just to show you it again. Alright, so I'm going to yarn over, pull up a loop, and I'm just making a single crochet, finishing the single crochet completely. Yarning over, pull through 2, yarn over, insert, pull up a loop, pull through 2, yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through 2, and then to finish it off, I'm going to switch, yarn over with A, pull through all, do the next stitch, in the next stitch, push to the front. Another beautiful bobbles. Oh, they're so cute, I can't stand it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope that that helps you out with your multicolored bobbles. Okay, until later, bye now.